How to fix Tripadvisor review not posting. The most common reason a Tripadvisor review is not posting is that it is still undergoing the platform's internal moderation process. Reviews typically take 24 to 48 hours to process, but they can remain stuck in pending status for up to 2 weeks if flagged for human verification. So what you can do is check for the submission roadblocks. You simply have to check your inbox by opening your device's Gmail or email application. From there, go ahead and then check your inbox and spam folders for a verification message from the Tripadvisor. You must click the confirmation link in the email to release the review for public display. And also make sure that you have not violated the audit policies. You can also track the pending status and confirm the time limits. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.